museum singing. Then we did a play all about these instruments, which you're going to find out about. And now we're back to show you these instruments that we made ourselves. So listen up, and between each song, they're quite short, but you can clap between each song. That's okay. We like applause.